TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the market has moved back and forth, but it's moving back and forth in a much tighter range than we've seen for the last couple of weeks. The realized volatility over the last month in the S&P 500 is 42. 42 lines up to a 42 level on the VIX. But it's trending lower. Over the last 15 days, it's been 22, and over the last 5 days, we've seen it in the low 20s. Although volatility has moved into the low 20s for the last 5 days, we're seeing very little interest in that kind of put in the front month VIX. So the market is not seeing a possibility of the VIX moving down into the low 20s in the next couple of weeks, although volatility's been there for the last week. An example of this sort of trade is the September 24 puts. We had a customer buyer for 10 cents only, and they were quickly gobbled up and sold for a dime. The September 25 puts are only trading 20 cents. So those two trades are showing you the market is pricing in a remote possibility of a very big decline in the VIX over the next 3 weeks. Where we're seeing a lot of activity is in the October-December 40 call spread. Customer came and bought 26,000 of the December 40 calls for 180, sold 21,000 of the October calls for 175. It's an interesting play. Shows the customer favors longer term VIX protection over shorter term. The reason you're seeing those two prices so close to each other, one, the October future is higher, and two, the volatility on the October options is higher because of the very recent events favoring shorter dated options having higher volatility. The customer's taking a contrary position here, going for the option that's longer dated and has the lower future price and buying protection there, seeing a long-term possibility of high volatility in the VIX. This is Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.